I spoke to one store manager today who said they probably have to buy a couple dozen new carts every few months just to keep up with all that theft. But now it's the business owners themselves who are going to have to, as part of their yearly permits, be part of this new abandoned shopping cart prevention and retrieval program. Drive-through Independence, and they aren't that hard to find.
Seems a lot in Independence that people are taking the shopping carts. And, you see them going down the street and they've got all their little goodies in there.
For at least a year, Independent city leaders have been trying to find a solution to what they call a public nuisance and potential hazard to the health, safety, and welfare of the public. Shopping carts gone astray.
One of the things that we notice a lot along our commercial corridors especially, and really even in some of our neighborhoods, is the number of shopping carts that leave the premises and end up in places where they shouldn't be.
So now business owners will be required to submit plans on how to prevent shopping carts from being stolen and how to retrieve them if they are. We noticed some independent stores require a quarter deposit to get carts, hoping to de-incentivize theft.
It doesn't bother me, I'd rather pay to have a cart than go chase one down.
The mayor says stores could also install wheel lock systems, preventing them from leaving the property, though she acknowledges it comes with a cost. But so will losing a cart, as now stores can be charged abatement fees for every cart city crews have to track down and return.
We feel like it's a expense to the businesses if they're losing their inventory, and it certainly casts kind of a negative image on the city when you're driving down the road and there's shopping carts left behind in the public right-of-way.
That was part of the ordinance that passed 6-1 tonight. They also reinforced the idea that taking any of this off of their property here, these shopping carts, that is a crime, and they will prosecute. Christelle.